Did you know you can make $50 a day using ChatGPT starting today? In this video, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step method to earn with ChatGPT. No tech skills, no upfront investment, just smart tools, easy strategies, and consistent results. Before we get into the steps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a chance to grow your income with AI. Let's get started. Method 1. Content writing services. The easiest way to monetize ChatGPT is by offering content writing services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Use ChatGPT to help you quickly generate blog posts, articles, website copy, and other written materials that clients need regularly. To get started, sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Contently, where many businesses look for writers. Make sure to create a strong professional profile that highlights your writing experience and mentions how you use AI tools like ChatGPT to work faster and deliver quality content efficiently. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 for a 1,000-word article, depending on the complexity and niche. Since ChatGPT can handle the bulk of the research and generate solid first drafts, you can complete 2 to 3 articles a day without feeling overwhelmed, helping you reach or even surpass a daily earning target of $50. To maximize earnings, focus on high-demand niches such as technology, health and wellness, finance, or digital marketing, industries where businesses typically pay higher rates for expert-level content. Method 2. Social media management. Businesses desperately need engaging social media content. Use ChatGPT to create posts, captions, and content calendars for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Offer packages starting at $300, $500 per month for managing one platform. That's $10.17 daily per client. Get 3 clients and you're earning $50 plus daily. ChatGPT can generate hashtag strategies, write engaging captions, and create content themes. Combine this with free tools like Canva for visuals. Target local businesses, real estate agents, and consultants who need consistent posting but lack time. Present yourself as a social media specialist who uses cutting-edge tools for maximum engagement. Method 3. Email marketing campaigns. Email marketing remains one of the highest ROI activities for businesses. Use ChatGPT to write compelling email sequences, newsletters, and promotional campaigns. Many companies pay $50 to $100 per email sequence. Start by creating sample email campaigns in popular niches like fitness, finance, or e-commerce. Showcase these samples on LinkedIn and cold email businesses. ChatGPT excels at creating subject lines, persuasive copy, and call-to-action phrases. Offer services like welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, and product launch campaigns. Each project can easily net $50 $150, and you can complete multiple projects weekly with ChatGPT's help. Method 4. Online course creation. Create and sell online courses using ChatGPT for content development. Choose trending topics like digital marketing, productivity, or personal finance. Use ChatGPT to outline course modules, write lesson scripts, and create quizzes. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad make selling courses simple. Price courses between $50 to $100 depending on depth and niche. Once created, courses generate passive income. ChatGPT can help create course descriptions, marketing copy, and even student engagement emails. Focus on solving specific problems your audience faces. A well-structured course can earn $50 plus daily once you build an audience and optimize for conversions. Method 5. Freelance copywriting. Businesses need persuasive copy for websites, ads, and sales pages. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling headlines, product descriptions, and sales copy. Copywriters charge $50, $500 per project, depending on complexity. Start with smaller projects like product descriptions, $10.25 each, and work toward bigger projects like sales pages, $200 $500. Join copywriting communities on Facebook and LinkedIn to find opportunities. ChatGPT can help generate multiple headline variations, write persuasive bullet points, and create emotional hooks. Always A/B test different versions and focus on conversion-focused copy that drives results for clients. Method 6. Virtual assistant services. Offering virtual assistant (VA) services powered by ChatGPT is a smart way to build a profitable and efficient online business. As a VA, you can handle a wide range of tasks such as managing emails, conducting research, performing data entry, organizing schedules, and providing customer support. These services are always in demand, especially among busy professionals and growing businesses. What sets you apart is your ability to enhance these services using ChatGPT. With AI assistance, you can quickly draft professional emails, summarize lengthy documents, generate reports, and automate responses for common inquiries. This allows you to serve multiple clients more efficiently without sacrificing quality. Instead of getting bogged down with repetitive tasks, you can use AI to boost your productivity and focus on higher value work. Most virtual assistants charge between $15 to $25 per hour, depending on their skill level and the complexity of the services offered. By integrating AI into your workflow, you can take on more clients and increase your overall income without working significantly more hours. You become a high-efficiency VA who delivers faster, more polished results than traditional assistants. To succeed in this field, position yourself as a tech-savvy virtual assistant who leverages AI to offer smarter support. Market your services to solopreneurs, consultants, small business owners, and startups. These are the clients who often need reliable help but can't afford a full-time employee. Highlight how your AI-enhanced approach saves them time and money while providing top-notch service. Bonus tips for success. Ethical transparency is key when using AI tools for your work. Always disclose when AI is part of your creative or business process. This builds trust and credibility with clients. However, simply using AI isn't enough. Focus on adding real human value through thoughtful editing, strategic input, and strong client communication. AI can speed things up, but it's your personal touch that turns basic outputs into standout results. Aim to build long-term relationships rather than chasing one-off projects. Clients value consistency, reliability, and expertise. When you take the time to understand their needs and deliver high-quality work, they're more likely to come back and refer others. This approach creates a more stable and rewarding income stream over time. Keep learning about your chosen niche to stay relevant and offer deeper insights. Whether you're working in content creation, graphic design, course development, or consulting, industries evolve quickly. By staying current, you'll be able to deliver more valuable solutions and maintain a competitive edge. Set clear pricing structures and boundaries from the beginning. Be upfront about your rates, what's included, turnaround times, and revision limits. This avoids misunderstandings and ensures your work is respected. Clients appreciate professionalism and clarity. Use ChatGPT and other AI tools to support your work, not replace your unique skills. These tools are here to help you work faster and smarter, but it's your judgment, creativity, and experience that truly make a difference. Combine the efficiency of AI with your personal expertise to create exceptional results. Finally, track your time and constantly refine your workflow. Knowing how long tasks take helps you improve efficiency and increase your earnings per hour. Over time, this will help you build a more profitable, sustainable business that respects both your time and your talents. So now you've got the exact steps to start making $50 a day with ChatGPT. If you're going to give it a try, drop some love in the comments or ask your questions below and I'll help out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our journey. Amazing content is coming every week.